Well, loudly. Say hi.
Come on, say cheese. Come on, get No, water bottle has not given.
No, given.
Given? तो मुझे क्यों नहीं बताया गया?
Hello, this. Hello, chick, hello. Hello, chick. Hello, chick, hello, this, hello, chick, 1, 2, he, this, hello. Chick, hello, chick, 1, 2, he, this, hello, chick.
To the parents, grandparents and all our little children present here. On behalf of our management, director, Nashra ma'am and the staff, it is my proud privilege to welcome you all to our wonderful Sports Day event. Our theme for this year is Be a Sport with Jumbo. Today, our children will be racing and displaying their cross as well as fine motor skills by different games and races as they are set and all geared up for the race. Most of our inquisitive parents have asked why we don't have first, second and third prize. So, I would like to inform the parents that at Podar Jumbo Kids, We believe that the only race a child should be in is the human race. And we believe in this concept because children are socially ready to compete only after the age of 6. So, everyone is a winner here and everyone will be receiving first, second, third prizes, certificates and a medal. In our sports day, we have races for grandparents, parents and teachers too. So not only children, we will involve our lovely parents and grandparents by having a race for them too. Await your turn, parents, grandparents, and be ready for the fun. And yes, don't forget to cheer children. Remember, they get energy from our cheers and whistles. The event is in the outdoor, so get ready to spot on the ground, stand in the sun and shout and whistle for every child. Don't worry about your children, we will take care and we will hand over to you only when the event ends. Parents are requested to please cooperate and they are not supposed to come towards the tracks as this can distract their minds. Okay, hope you all will have fun. Thank you.
I would now like to introduce our panel of chief guests. So ladies and gentlemen, it's a privilege to introduce a remarkable young talent who has not only left a mark in the skating world, but has also made her name in the prestigious Guinness Book of World Records. At just 13, let's applaud Meher Fatima for her extraordinary feature of conquering the 100 meter skating in just 11.21 seconds. But Meher has also participated in the international and among her numerous accolades, Meher has received several awards illustrating her exceptional skills and dedication to the sport. Today, we are honored to have this young prodigy with us, an inspiration to aspiring athletes everywhere. Experience of 20 years in treating the little ones. She has special interest in the field of dance. With the Jumbo mascot to unfurl the sports banner in spirit and passing this to one and all. This banner is a reminder that thank you, ma'am. Moving on, a humble
Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravida, Utkal, Banga, Vindhya, Himachal, Uchchal, Jaladhi, Taranga, Tab Shubh Naame Jaane, Tab Shubh Ashish Maange, Gahe Tab Jaya Gatha, Jan Gana Mangal Dayak, Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata, Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya 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 He.
our little marchers of junior KG as they are on the parade. Here they come, our little sports people waving their flags. Let's cheer them and motivate them by putting our hands together for them. to tap your feet with the foot tapping beats as the children are ready to. अपना है दिल ये आज का, दुनिया से जाके बोल दो, बोल दो, ऐसे जागो रे साथियों, दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो, खोल दो, लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरसमी का परचम लहरा दो, लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरसमी का परचम लहरा दो। ओ हाथ धर के बैठने से क्या भला कुछ होता है, क्या लकीरों को दिखा क्या जोर बाजू होता है, क्या लकीरों को दिखा क्या जोर बाजू होता है, हिम्मत बड़ी ना अगर हौसला खुदा भी होता है, जा सवारे को दिखा दे खुद में दम क्या होता है, लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरसमी का परचम लहरा Parents, please cheer them up. We cannot hear any claps and cheers. Sing with me. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Dance everybody and sing with me. La la la, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. La la la, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Touch the sky and touch the ground. What a fantastic performance. It was. Parents, cheer them up, please.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh, and if you fall, get up, eh, eh. Tamina, sangalewa, 'cause this is Africa. Tamina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. Tamina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Listen to your God, this is our motto. Your time to shine, don't wait in line, y vamos por todo. People are raising their expectations. Don't wanna see them, this is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day, feel it. You pave the way, believe it. You get down, get up, oh, oh. When you get down, get up, eh, eh. Tamina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Tamina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Tamina, sangalewa, anawa, ah, ah. Tamina, eh, eh. Waka, waka, eh, eh. Tamina, sangalewa, this time for Africa.
Parents, isn't this amazing to watch your kids being so synchronized and so expressive?
glad and happy to be here as a chief guest. I remember a few years ago I was sitting on that side because I've been a parent and my son is 8 years, so when he was young I was the parent sitting there and enjoying. So when I was sitting on this side, I was just observing the expressions of all children, the way they are doing, the confidence that they have, the teamwork that they are displaying. It's not easy. They are just come up here, face all of you, be happy, enjoy, do, even cry because they really want you and we are missing you. It's not easy. And I see a lot of parents, I saw all the parents enjoying this. You know, it's a very proud moment when you see your child coming out there and perform. I think all of us are feeling proud with, you know, chati choda ho gaya, right? It's that way. So I think big applause to all the kids, the teachers who put in such a hard work and make sure that the children are here confident enough to perform in front of all of you. And a big shout out to all you parents who are actually, you know, making sure that the development of the child is ongoing. Now just here, because I'm a developmental pediatrician and I always look at the mental aspect of how children are growing, you know, just a small message for parents. We all at this age let our child grow freely, but as our children grow, we start getting them into the rat race. So like Ms. Azra and Ms. Nazra said in the morning, this is not the race. Competition starts after 6 years of age. But we need to remember that even when the competition starts, it has to be a healthy competition. It does not have to be a competition where there is negativity, too much pressure, too much stress, too much force in life. If you really want your child to grow happily, you need to let them explore, you need to let them be free, let them use their wings. They don't literally have wings, but they have that internal freedom, the internal expressions which are wings. You need to let it grow. And as parents, I really want all of you to stand like a pillar with your child, because all of us have seen ups and downs, and today when we make them strong for all these ups and downs, they will not have problems later. I'm in particular talking about this because mental health is taking a toll and the foundation starts in childhood. So please take care. Make sure you're spending time with your child, you're standing as a support. Okay, ups and downs will come back. Some children are going to be a little ahead in one particular domain. The other child is going to be excellent in the other domain. Watch for that, observe, analyze that and take your child ahead. None of us are going to look back in life, and each parent sitting here is going to be proud of what their child does. That's all. So have a happy sports day. Enjoy this day and enjoy these moments. It's amazing. And then superb job to the Podar team. Amazing.
Now I would like to invite Miss Meher. Please have some few.
Dance Academy of Roller Skating, and my coach is Afzal Sir. And on 30th May 2023, I made a Guinness World Record by 100 meters in 11.21 seconds. And recently I played my international race for which I secured 3 bronze medals. And I would like the children to participate in whichever sports they like. And last but not the least, I'm thankful to the management of Podar Jumbo Kids by inviting me in the sports day function. So thank you very much.
For all the little buds. Parents, now it's the most awaited time, most awaited moment of the event. Guess what? It's time for our little ones to rock the ground as they are all set to begin with their races. Participation in any event is a must, and we at Podar Jumbo Kids believe in it. The will to win is important, but the will to prepare is vital. For us, every child is special and a winner. So here we start with our first class today, our playgroup students. Parents, please gear up. Now the children of playgroup are going to have their race. So as our theme, it is Be a Sport with Jumbo. Our first race is called Flag Race. So let's give a round loud of applauses and cheers, parents. Children will run from the starting point and pick up the flag kept in the middle of the track and run towards the finishing line and stack the flag in the sand pot. We shall now begin the race. Wow, the little one morning. So it is called Pass Me Through. Children will run from the starting line to the midpoint. There is a hula hoop kept over. The children will pick up the hula hoop and run towards the finishing line. Go!
Ready? Again, I cannot hear y'all. Y'all are ready? Okay. So I want two parents, one from PG and one from nursery. So please come out. Please clap for them. Okay. We have Adiha's mom. Who else is coming from nursery? Okay, clap for Shahan's mom. Okay, so are you all ready? So first round is tongue twister round. Okay, so we will give you some tongue twister and you all have to repeat it. Okay, first is for Adiha's mom. She sells seashells by the seashore. You have to say this. Okay.
She sells seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashore by the seashell.
No. Yes. She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells
By the seashore.
by the seashore.
You have to repeat it continuously. Okay, all want other one? Okay, I'll give you easy one. Red roller, yellow roller.
Red roller, yellow roller.
Yes. Again, you have to say it.
Red roller, yellow roller. Red roller, yellow roller. Red roller, yellow.
Okay. You can try.
Red roller, yellow roller. Red roller, yellow roller. Red roller, yellow roller. Red roller, yellow roller. Red roller, yellow roller.
Okay, we have the clear winner here. Fine. Give her a round applause. Who else is coming? From junior? Anyone? Nursery? Okay, come. Yes, yes. Now we have Azlan's mom and Ali Abbas mom. Okay, so Hindi version. Kacha papad, pakka papad. Come on.
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ 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 कच्चा पापड़ पक्का कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़
Okay, start.
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ 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 कच्चा पापड़
It is so tough to decide.
क्या बोलता बोली नहीं करना
We'll give you one more. Okay. Neeli rail, lal rail.
लाल रेल, नीली रेल 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 लाल रेल, नीली
We are giving you the prize.
वैसे करके भी कोई मतलब ही नहीं
Clap for them. She's Mehani. Navya. Okay, we'll start with selfish, shellfish.
Selfish, shellfish, 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 selfish, shellfish. Selfish, 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 selfish.
Shellfish.
Selfish and
Shellfish.
yes. Selfish, 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 shellfish, 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 selfish, 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 selfish. We have to continue.
So we have the winner here. Please clap for you. Okay, parents, are you all ready for the next race? Please give him a round applause. Now, parents,
Nursery kids, you all are ready? Yes? Onima, get set, go!
parents, please cheer them up.
Are you all ready? Onima, get set, go!
Moving on to our next race, which is Find Me Out and Pick Me Up. In this race, children have to start from Parents, please cheer them up. Louder, a little louder.
Onima, get set, go!
Amazing. Parents, please cheer them up. Now, afternoon batch students will come up for the same race.
Onima, get set, go!
Please cheer them, parents.
Amazing students, amazing.
Applause. Again, some fun session with parents. Are you all ready? Parents, I think your energy is okay. So we want two parents. One from playgroup, one from nursery. Please come out. Anyone else from playgroup? In prizes. Okay, ready? Ready? Stadium, Sachin Tendulkar completed his 100th century. No prompting, please. Okay. Option A, Eden Garden. Option B, Sher Bangla Stadium. Option C, Firoz Shah Kotla Ground. And option D, none of the above. You have to press the buzzer. Okay. Wrong. Wrong. Answer is Sher Bangla. Okay. Second. This is also easy. Who was the highest run scorer from India in World Cup cricket final match 1983? Okay. First, Amarnath. B, Kapil Dev. C, Sunil Gavaskar. D, Shrikant. Come on. Sunil Gavaskar. Wrong. Come on, think. Yes. Okay. Please clap for her. Anyone else who wants to come? From junior, I cannot see anyone coming from this side. I think I will choose now. Who is coming? Come. And next round will be from this side, okay? Parents who are standing can settle down, please. Okay, are you all ready? You all have to press the button. Which medal has India won at the Tokyo Olympics 2020 in men's hockey? Option A, silver. Option 2, gold. C, bronze. And 4th, no medal. I repeat the question. Which medal has India won at the Tokyo Olympics? Okay. Wrong. 2020. You have to press the buzzer and answer.
Bronze.
Right. Clap for it. Please clap for him.
In the middle of the track and they have to reach towards the finishing line.
Junior KG kids, are you all ready? Yes, come on loudly. I can't hear you all. Loudly. Are you all ready? On a mark, get set, go. Are you all ready? Ready? On a mark, get set, go! Yes or no? Come on. Okay. On a mark, get set, go!
Wow, what an amazing round of applause for the team spirit. moving on to the final race of the day of our students. Wow, what a splendid performance by all our children. Let's give it up.
One more game has to perform. Okay? So we'll choose. Okay, Fizza. Fizza's parent, please come. Mohan from playgroup. Fizza. Okay, you have to come. What is written? Sing a Bollywood song. Okay. With you. Who will perform first? Okay, fine. Anyone else who wants to come?
सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो.
Amazing. Thank you so much for being such a sport.
Okay, Vaiba's mom. You have to perform the activity.
3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bravo!
Should we extend to 30? Okay. Okay.
Ibrahim Sheikh from Playgroup.
Okay, come.
Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena a champion, Wendy a champion, Shelly a champion, 958 Bolt a champion. Champion, 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 champion.
It's chicken dance. I'll try.
Yeah, giving you the beats.
Complete the song.
Parents, just a pause. We have another chief guest between us.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed parents and adorable little athletes, it's an honor to welcome Our distinguished chief guest for today's preschool event, Senior Inspector Amar Sir brings a unique perspective to inspire and encourage our youngsters. Let's join together in extending a warm welcome to a leader who exemplifies excellence in both duty and community support. Thank you for joining us today, sir.
We would now welcome our sir to say some few words.
Thank you very much for calling us here. Sports is the gist of our life. तो बच्चों को ये जो छोटी उम्र से जो स्पोर्ट्स के लिए प्रमोट किया जाता है, इसके लिए स्कूल के टीचर्स, स्टाफ, उनका रोल बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रहता है। उनको गुड हैबिट लगाने के लिए भी उनका बहुत अच्छा रोल रहता है। और बच्चे लोग अपने घर में अपनी बात कम सुनते हैं, लेकिन टीचर और स्टाफ उनकी बहुत बात मानते हैं वो सब। और उनको शुरू से अगर स्पोर्ट्स का लगाव रहेगा तो स्टडी भी ऑटोमेटिकली अच्छा हो जाता है और परफॉर्मेंस उनका हर चीज़ में अच्छा ही रहता है। तो बच्चों के लिए ये सब एक्टिविटीज़ हमेशा स्कूल ने ऑर्गेनाइज करना चाहिए और उसको बढ़ावा देना चाहिए, ताकि बच्चों का हर एक्टिविटी में परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा रहे। और हर बच्चा एक जैसा नहीं रहता है, लेकिन हर एक को चांस मिलना चाहिए। सब पेरेंट्स का और टीचर्स का हमें यहाँ पे बुलाने के लिए मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ। Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Now we have another race. These races are for adults. So first, it's time for our grandparents to indulge in some sport activity and games. So I would like to request grandparents kindly join the track and please volunteer us. Any grandparents? Kindly come.
चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बोल।
So in this race, what grandparents have to do, it is called laughing race. So grandparents will be standing at the starting line. They have to laugh and walk till the finishing line and simultaneously walking and laughing. Whoever wins gets the medal. Please cheer them up, everyone. Grandmom is the winner. Please clap for her. Get set, go!
You put your right arm in, your right arm out, in, out, shake it all about.
Imran Father is the winner. Parents are clear winners. Please applause for them.
पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ तो मेरी चीज की किस्मत होगी तेरी क्या तू नहीं है बात न मानी पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ पीछे पापा मेरी चीज की किस्मत की तेरी क्या तू नहीं है बात न मानी
Second round.
Okay, now next round.
Champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Chris Ken is a champion. Beanie a champion, Bounty a champion, Marshall is a champion, Bunty is a champion, Fallen is a champion, Lara is a champion, Gail is a champion. Don't forget Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena a champion, Wendy a champion, Kellyanne a champion, 958 Ford a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say bravo a champion.
Good, amazing.
सनसेट भाई तेरा फुल सेट है मुझे भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा देखो तो हसीना को आना भी करीना को तुमको का फीवर है चढ़ने लगा थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके सारे सारे That's not your well, no. Sorry, sorry, totally lakha. Sorry, sorry, totally lakha. Hey, tak diya rendi akha. Hey, tak diya rendi akha.
Ma'am, ma'am.
Bittar di, hey duniya bittar di. मेरी आज काल आराम सोनिए डिस्को बोले सारी रात सजना डिस्को बोले सारी रात सजना डिस्को बोले सारी रात सजना
We have a clear winner, Aslan's mom. Please clap for her. Ali Reza's mom gave a tough.
Please come here. We would like to felicitate you. This felicitation will be done by my beloved father, Mr. Hassan Javed. Abba Gujar and Ajay Bote. Please kindly come together, everyone. Parents, please clap for them. This hamper is for entire Mumbai police. Thank you so much for giving your time and joining our event and making it more prestigious. Please clap for them, everybody.
Thank you for always helping us, and thank you for working for. Thank you, Mumbai Police. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for making this event more prestigious to us. Felicitate Miss Meher. She is a little champ. Please applause for her. It will be an appreciation and motivation for her.
Our guest on the stage for a photo, please.
Come to the end of our sports meet 23-24. Parents, I would like to express my gratitude for all those who made this event possible today. First and foremost, I would like to thank the entire Podar family, the entire staff and support staff for working together and showing a great team spirit. And of course, our chief guest, our little children and their family. Kindly clap and applause and thank you so much for the cooperation throughout the event. Parents, we will now be calling students class-wise. They have to come towards the table and collect the certificates and medal for the students. of playgroup kindly come with their children, and we will be giving the certificates and medal to all. And parents who have won the races have to wait.
फोटो वीडियो कैमरे में देखिए रेडी ओके वन मोर ओके थैंक यू Okay, ready?
Vivan, parents of Vivan, please come.
Ready? Thank you.
चलो बहुत बड़ी मैच है तुम इधर क्या अरे 11:30 चलो युवान
ऊपर देखो
Ali's parent, please come to collect the certificate and medal with Ali.
Okay, ready? यहाँ देखिए
भाभी
ओके थैंक यू
चलो फोटो देखो कैमरे में देखो मोहम्मद अली लुक इन द कैमरा इधर देखो ऊपर देखो लुक इन द कैमरा मोहम्मद अली
थैंक यू रेडी सामने देखिए ओके थैंक यू एक सेकंड यहाँ देखिए मैडम इधर 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 मैडम रेडी थैंक यू थोड़ा ऐसा आइए ना कैमरा में वीडियो नहीं है थोड़ा सा आगे आइए यहाँ देखिए क्रेडिट ओके थैंक यू गोद भी लीजिए ना, ऊपर लीजिए। यहाँ देखिए, रेडी, ओके, वन मोर। यहाँ देखिए, थैंक यू। ऊपर लीजिए सर, थोड़ा ऊपर लीजिए, गोद पे लीजिए। हाँ, थोड़ा बच्चा है ना वो है। हाँ, ओके, रेडी, यहाँ देखिए, थैंक यू। यहाँ देखिए, थैंक यू।
Look in the camera, Mohammed, look in the camera. चल कर दिखो।
यहाँ देखिए, सामने कैमरे में।
अरे पर रुक ना, कब नाम तो बोला दे।
रेडी, सामने देखिए कैमरे में।
अभी ऐसा तो नहीं ले सकते।
देखते देखिए, रेडी, स्माइल। ओके, ऊपर लीजिए। थैंक यू। यहाँ देखिए, थैंक यू। बेटा बेटा कैमरे में देखिए, सामने देखिए कैमरे में।
Winners of Parents and Grandparents Days, please come.
स्माइल, यहाँ देखिए कैमरे में। रेडी, यहाँ देखिए, रेडी, यहाँ देखिए, थैंक यू। रेडी, वन मोर, इधर है बेटा, ओके। यहाँ देखिए, रेडी, यहाँ देखिए, कम हियर, रेडी, थैंक यू। थैंक यू। कैमरे में देखिए।
More snacks, it is kept on the table.
Azra ma'am, one request you all small siblings are standing.
यहाँ देखिए, साथ में आइए, रेडी,
Well done, parents.
ओ मैडम, खूब चालू है। थैंक यू। आप इधर आ दो ना। थैंक यू।
Great job, Hadia.
चालू देखिए। थैंक यू। ओके रेडी, इसको ऊपर ले लीजिए। थैंक यू। देखिए ओके रेडी, सामने देना कैमरे में। एक रेडी, थैंक यू। यहाँ देखिए रेडी, इधर दे बेटा। ओके थैंक यू। ओके रेडी, थैंक यू। यहाँ देखिए रेडी, थैंक यू। यहाँ देखिए रेडी, यहाँ देखिए थैंक यू। यहाँ देखिए रेडी,
अच्छा चलेगा, आप ले लीजिए जो।
यहाँ पहले फॉर्मेट डालो।
यहाँ देखिए ओके देखिए, यहाँ देखिए रेडी, वन मोर। यहाँ देखिए कोई भी थैंक यू। वन मोर, 1 सेकेंड। आप बंद करिए आपने। थैंक यू।